Did you know that you can start making money in 2026 on e-commerce stores like Amazon, Walmart, and TikTok Shop without doing any work? That's right. Let me show you one of the Walmart store we are currently managing in United States. So this is a Walmart store. Let me show you sales for the last year. So we have generated over $381,000 in sales in 2025. And as you can see the graph, we are generating consistent sales in the throughout the last whole year. Let me show you last month sales. So in January, we have generated over $46,213, and in December, me and my team have generated over $45,000 in sales. So let me show you my office as well. So this is a CCTV camera. These are my team members working on their projects. Currently we have 5 members and have limited capacity to do work. So these are the team members, and this is the office boy chilling outside using his phone. So if you're looking to start your own e-commerce store, feel free to contact with me. You can also schedule a call with me. The links are below in the description. Thank you.